Hi everyone, and this is Swastika and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna make miniature gift box. So let's get started. So guys, here you can see I have made a box like this, and guys, now I'm gonna make the front part of it, means the top part of it. Now for decorating, I'm using a dark purple or dark violet stripe for making the gift box. So guys, for the top I am using dark violet so that it would look cool with the dark and light combination of the color. And guys, make sure that you like, subscribe and share my video and press the bell icon to never miss any kind of update.